Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're starting your journey in photography, be sure to watch this video. I started when I was 11 years old. I took my father's Olympus point and shoot camera and took me and my sister while she was jumping out of bed. She put on a fake wedding dress and she was jumping up and down as I just started taking pictures like crazy. At that time, I was binge watching a lot of America's Next Top Model, and I'd tell my sister, smile with your eyes and do all these things. And from there, I just loved fashion photography. And I continued to take pictures. I took pictures of a lot of events. From there on, when I was 17 years old, I decided to make it a career. I went to IADT of Tampa and they taught me all the proper composition, lighting, and exposure, and I applied those skills. I graduated in 2011. I felt like I needed to master my skills in order to become a professional photographer and charge customers. But that's not the case. The customer decides whether or not they feel like you're worth enough. So if you want to join the journey of becoming a photographer, I recommend that you just shoot with anything, because becoming a photographer is extremely easy. All you need is a camera. You could use your mother's tablet, you could use your father's phone, you could use your sister's point and shoot. It doesn't really matter. In order to build a portfolio, you have to shoot anything at all. Don't pigeonhole yourself and think that you have to shoot just one category. If you're starting your journey in photography and you want to learn how to become a photographer, follow these tips. Enjoy the process, always grow, always learn. Something that I found useful is that I created a vision board of what I wanted my work to look like. I extracted the elements of each photographer that I enjoyed. I enjoyed the creativity of Dave Chappelle, and I enjoyed the composition of Parrish Kohannon, and I extracted all those elements that I genuinely enjoyed of each photographer, and I applied it to my work. One thing I can tell you is never stop learning and never stop growing in photography. Always be better than your last image. Subscribe to my channel if you like videos